Hello, in this video, we will look at returning a list from a function. Actually, we already looked at the example in the preceding section. When you're using the default argument, you create a list, you return that list. You actually can return a list from function. So let's look at it one more time here. You write this reverse function, reverse this list, and so you're going to return a new list. So this is the result. So what I do is I'm going to create the same size. So I just use the default size 0 and times here len lst. So the result, I'm not going to change the original list lst. So only assign the contents from lst to result reversely and return result. So that is here. It is to reverse the list, returning a list in this example. That is all for this section on returning a list from a function. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.